Since long time I'm getting requests on, sir, please do help in IBTP program. What are the paper details? And means same question is getting again and again. What is the format of paper 1? What is the format for paper 2? How many texts are there, and so on. No matter, like in year 1 also, it has been clearly explained all the details, but still when the exams are there, people are generally confused what is the format in short. To help you in all these patterns, the details, this is the paper 1 format for you guys. So what is the paper 1? What is the pattern of the complete P1, which is of 30 marks. Yes, if you don't know the paper details, to watch the link which is mentioned there on top, and this was my latest video published before this video. For paper 1, remember it has 2 sections basically, and section A and section B. Section A is of 15 marks, and then section B again it is of 15 marks. So it's very easy. So total it is of 30 marks and the weightage is of 25%. You are aware of that. Sample format which is on your screen now. So if you look at section A, where you have 3 options, 3 options from 3 different I would say themes. 3 options are given, and you need to choose one and write on that particular theme. Then comes the section B. Again you have 3 topics from 3 different themes, and then you have to choose one. If you look at closely in front of you the format of the paper, in all the topics which are mentioned there are 3 basically 3 text types are there. So for each text type you need to choose which is the right text type, and then you need to write that topic for paper 1. If your text type is wrong, you are going to lose the marks. That is also the point, because from the text you need to understand which text type is the perfect for this topic. And more importantly, in ab initio program, means for the paper 1 you have to write 75 minimum words and maximum 150 words. So focus on minimum 100 words rather than 75 words. So do subscribe to watch the details of those paper formats, how to write a formal letter, how to write an informal letter, and maybe some examples. So keep checking, and do press the bell button, and do subscribe my channel to know more about such details. Au revoir guys, take care.